In this video, you're going to understand how you can use the split testing feature. So first of all, you have to log into your FlexiFunnels dashboard. And after logging to your FlexiFunnels dashboard, you can go over here in the Add section, click on it, and over here you can see the split campaign. Okay, so I'll just click on this. And before that, you have to create all the pages that you want to run as a split campaign. Okay? So I have already created a couple of pages from my hit. So let me just quickly show it to you over there. And just inside the projects that you have to go create a projects and create all those split campaigns, all those campaign that you want to. So over here, I have created a couple of pages. And this, if we go over here, and this is one of the projects that I've created. So similarly, you have to click on the projects and create all those pages and add to projects. So first is that step. Second, in this over here, we are going to check the split campaign. So click on this split campaign. Now we are going to create one campaign. Let's take I'm going to give it a bit of. Okay, now I will select the project where I created all those projects, all those pages. And in this one, now I'll click it. You can see the campaign 1, campaign 2, and campaign 3. These are the 3 campaign that I have created. I will select campaign 1 as a control page. So when somebody open this specific page, this specific URL, so automatically they can see the other URLs, other pages as well on this specific URL. Now, I have to select the variants over there. So go in this page and click on this campaign. 2. Now, click on the Save button. You can also give it a notes for your understanding. So I'm just giving it a V8 variant. 2. Now, I'm going to add a variant. First, I have to click Save. Now I'm going to create a variant. This is D3 and over here, and we can select the campaign. 3. Now click on the Save. So this is one of the campaign that we have created, and if I run this, if I open this page, then you will see the split campaign will be visible over here. Okay, now, this is the first step that we have to do. Second, we have to go winner selection. You have to select this automatic. Over here, you are going to see which page is performing best. So as of now, we have not started this specific. So just closing this, just to give you the information. And over here, you have to open the same button and then open the same button. You have to run this campaign. Are you sure you want to run this? Start the split campaign? Yes, I will start this split campaign. And once you click on the start campaign, you'll see this is starting. And over here, the most important thing, let's test it out how it does work. So first of all, what I will do, I'll just copy this one, and let's take an opening in this specific project. Okay? So if I'm opening this, now you can see this is one of the variants that has been opened. Now, if I'm going over here, next in the projects part, this is the campaign 1 page, and you can see this is the page URL of that page, which is C1. Okay? So if you can see, this is a C1. This page is open, but in actual, this is the page. This is the page if I go in the editor. If I can show it for you, this is the actual page up. Now, we have set up the split campaign for you can see the different page is visible. It's not the different page is visible. It's the different campaigns are visible. So let's take, I'm opening in my system. So this one is page. This page 1 is showing. Let's take if I'm just opening this in common, the what page it is showing. Same, just the other different page. Now you can see it's a different page is showing. Same URL, different page is showing. So this is how you can run all those variants with the help of Split Campaign. So this will tell you which page is converting more so that you can run all the traffic and majority of the traffic over there. But just keep doing it. Until then, you will get the maximum number of conversion of that specific page. And once that is done, then we can send the full traffic to that specific campaign. Okay? So this is one of the thing. Let me just close it down and let me show you the stats as well. Over here, if you go back, click on the Go to Winner selection, click on this automatic, and over here you will see all the pages. You can see as a winner that you can select this campaign. Campaign 2 is a high performance because I opened it multiple times, but let's go over there and see. Let's go back to overview. Let me show you the stats. You can see over here the status is, and in this, you can see the stats. So if you go and check it on the stats over here, which is page 1, page 2, and page 3, the 3, you can also, of course, set the days is good, the custom range is good. You can see campaign 1, 100, 1 unique views, campaign 2, this and this. Let's take if I just opted over here, just randomly opting on this one. Let's see. What it looks in the split campaign. Oh, sorry. What it looks in the statistics. So now I just signed up over here, and you get to be, submitted the data. Now I'm again going back to the split campaign where I just showed before you how it is looking over here. Let's say I'm just refreshing this. And now you will see the actual results of the campaign 2, which is 100%. Because this is the campaign 2 page. And now we can see all page, all UDTU, and the rate of this specific page. So this is how this will work. So whichever is performing best, you can select that page as a winner and again run a new campaign so that they will get to know. And you will just push all the traffic over there itself. That will give you the clarity which page is working on just simple one traffic. Another most important for me, you can also change the traffic spread. Let's take I'm just kept it equal, but you can also use it as a custom. So let's take over here. I want to run this control-based ad, 60%, and rest of my page is 20% and for 20%. You can also log this, and you can change this. Let's take I want this 10%, and I want this remaining as 30%. So click on the Save button, and now all the split campaigns will work on the basis of this split. So this is the another amazing feature that you can split it. And according to your, thinking if this is the high converting page. So I want my, like the X percentage sending on this specific, page. So this is how you can catch it up. Both the things. You can select the winner. You can also set up the traffic, custom split. And, you can also run the multiple variations. Do as many times as you can, and after that, you just need to click on to the winner selection and click on automatic set winner page, that control page stuff, and you can select that, and it will also show as it just hyper copy because I filled the page. So you can also select this as a winner. Click on this and you can also. Now you can see this, campaign has ended. And over here, my winner page is selected with this one. And now this is your. You can see the C one was working. And now this was the variation that was working highly convertible. So I selected that page as a winner. And this is done. The campaign 2 is the winner of this campaign. Page has been manually designated as a winner. So this is how you can use the split campaign feature in the Mixica. Bye.